This is IAM News, bringing you the very latest in infrastructure asset management. I'm Iphigenia, welcome. Today's top story is the use of geotechnical instruments to monitor infrastructure assets vulnerable to geohazards, like a potential landslide, for example. At locations known to be at risk, geotechnical instruments provide the means to better understand the geohazard and to plan remediation measures. One of the most common measurements in a geotechnical study is the assessment of the vertical displacement of the ground. When recording such data, settlement cells and gauges are ideal tools for the job. Settlement cells consist of an instrumented chamber installed in the ground, while settlement gauges are typically placed on the surface or mounted on structures. Both devices enable accurate measurement of vertical displacement over time. So that takes care of vertical movement, but what tool is required to measure the extent of horizontal movement between points? The best tool for a job like this would be a digital tape extensometer. Much like its magnetic counterpart, a digital tape extensometer measures mass movement by using a sensor relative to a static reference point. Unlike traditional tape extensometers that require manual measurements and recording, digital extensometers have built-in digital displays or data loggers. They provide real-time measurements and can store data for later analysis. Inclinometers, which measure the inclination or tilt of a section of ground or structure, also follow the principle of a sensor and a reference point to provide engineers with vital information on the magnitude and direction of an incline. While satellite data allows whole infrastructure networks to be monitored and potential problem areas pinpointed, geotechnical instruments are the tools to provide the detailed, below-ground information needed to effectively manage, maintain, and solve those problem sites altogether. I'll certainly be installing some geotechnical tools under my house. You've been watching IAM News. Join us next time.